I'm with Ronaldo, and he's gonna teach me how to sue.
1, 2, jump.
That's it. So 1, 2, jump.
Yeah!
Oh, I gotta yell. Sue!
Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Hi guys, how are you? So this time we are going to learn another new AI tool which is going to add to your repository of the AI tools that you've learned till now. So the name of the AI tool is 𝐕𝐢𝐝. So let's start by writing it on the search bar. Now we press enter, and as you can see the first link on our web page. So we just click on that and just wait for a few seconds. And so here we are on the web page of 𝐕𝐢𝐝. So what basically is this AI? What does it actually do? So that is what we're going to learn through the entire tutorial of this video. What this AI does is it controls the move, as you can see on your screen. It helps you create your own story. That is what you write, what you hope to bring to life. And then it also helps you to remix endless possibilities. So the entire AI helps you with umbrella of activities. And let's go on. Before searching about this AI, let's first learn what this AI does. So let's go through its website. Like, it helps us to swap a character in a video. Like, you can turn a image into a person who's dancing or saying something. It's completely, the possibilities are literally endless. Next, it also helps you place yourself or any character you like in a scene for a personalized and immersive experience. Second, it helps you to animate your picture and make your character move. Like, if I need to make a meme, or if I need to make a certain video in which I am dancing, then I just need to take a photo of my own self, the entire full body photo, and upload it on this AI. And just what we need to do is select the template of which I need my photo to be in, and easily, very easily, my complete photo will be turned into a motion picture. In this, we also have an option like that, like keep the original background intact without any additional setting. That is, if my photo, the background of my photo is kind of white, or it has certain kind of background, either I can change that background to green screen or white. That is what it helps us to do. Next, we can even replace multiple characters in a video. Till now, what I told you is it just helps you to replace your own photo or a person's photo into a template. But it also offers multiple other options. Like, you can create certain characters, like I can create my own photo and add another person's photo in the same template and create a video of like two people conversing with the same template or the same background. So before delving into this is what actually this AI does. So let's understand how to actually do what I just told you or narrated you about on this AI. So let's get started. So before doing anything, what we need to do is start by logging in. So here we have it, that is the try now option. So first we click here. Now, as soon as we do that, here we have option like sign in with Google or sign in with email. I'll be choosing the sign in with Google option. So here we need to select our email address, and this is my email address. After selecting it, we need to select the continue option. So this is the entire page on which we'll be working from this point on. So first, here it's the mix option. Then we have a multi option, and then we have move. These are the various three functions what this AI performs. So first we are on the create option, like we'll be creating our own video. So let's learn what is motion. This is the thing that we want our photo to be in. Like, if I want my own picture to dance, this is the portion we'll be working on that. Here, character means the person's photo that I'll be adding on. Like my own photo, I need to bring it to life. I'll be uploading it over here. So where we have an upload or drop in image. So what we'll do is first select our own image. There are certain norms and guidelines through which we need to upload the video. like the photo of what we need to bring to life. That is, it should be of image of any size would work, and for better results it should be a full body photo with a clean background. Of course, the AI needs to detect your entire body so that it can bring it to life in a very correct and meaningful way. So let's go on. So now you can see that I have selected my character. Now what we have to do is select a template. So see, here we also have like upload or drop a video. Here what we can do is we can download our own video in which we need to add our own photo, so we can drop it over here, or otherwise we can select a template which is already available on this platform. So let's go through the templates. So see guys, there are multiple options available here, like hot picks, Christmas, dance buddy. If you want to create a meme, you can select the meme option. If you want like most popular ones that are recent in trends, you can click here. For birthday, you can click. For sports, so the choice is endless. So let's click on hot picks. And here we have, so what do you want to choose, like where do you want to bring your character to life? So what I'll do is I'll just randomly click over here, that is Gangnam Style 2. So this is a song that we all know, so let's try out how our character acts or dances in this video. We'll select this template and we'll click on the button confirm. So after doing this, what we need to do is that we need to check what kind of background we need. Either it can be an original that we have selected, or a green screen, or a white. Since we've selected the template, I'll click on original one because this is the background in which I need my photo to be in. Next is the model. Let it be the default, it gets selected. Now we hit the create button. Now here on the right hand side, we can see that the estimated time is 1 minute. So this is the time that the AI requires to process your own image and take it with the template and combine both of them to create the output that you need. So let's just wait for a few seconds and let the AI do its magic. And here we have it guys, the entire complete video of our character dancing. So let's first, what we'll do is we'll click on the download option. And guys, as we can see on the screen, the video has been downloaded. Now for another thing, if we need to find another thing, like, so we'll upload another image. For trying out the multi option, we'll select the characters. Now this time what we'll do is first we'll select a template, and now let's see, like we need at least 2 people, right? So it can be either 2, it can be 4, it completely depends upon the type of template we choose. So let's see, we'll select this photo, Ronaldo and Mr. Beast. We'll select this and we'll click on the button confirm. So this is the template that we chose. So if we need to hide the green thing that's coming on the video, we need to click on hide tracking. We just click on it. Now there are 2 characters that we need to select. We'll click on Charles first. Now here we need to upload the video, so I just select one character. Next we need to select another character that is named James. We'll click on it and we'll select another character. And now we have 2 characters that are selected, and these 2 selectors, that is these 2 images, will be brought to life in this video. Now let's hit the create button. So as you see, the same thing will happen again on the right hand side. The video is getting generated. It will take a bit or two, but let me believe you guys that this AI is completely out of this world. It helps you create what you really imagine. It helps you bring things to life. It helps you add motion to your own pictures. Like if you want to go into some kind of a video or a place, but you can't go in reality, then what you do, just select your image, select the background or the template in which you want your photo to be in, and boom, the output is what you really want to happen in your real life. So this is another video that is being generated of what we have done. So let's click on the download button. And here is the video that gets downloaded. Now these 2 are the videos that we just downloaded. So before ending this video, I'd like to say, please go and try out this with AI. It's completely helpful, and I'll play the output of these two videos now before you. Thanks, and meet you in the next video.
I'm with Ronaldo, and he's gonna teach me how to sue.
1, 2, jump.
That's it. So 1, 2, jump.
Yeah!
Oh, I gotta yell. Sue!